Have you ever felt like your money is constantly slipping through your fingers? Like no matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to get ahead? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with managing their finances, and it can be incredibly frustrating. But what if there was a tool that could help you take control of your money, break free from debt, and achieve your financial goals? That's where YNAB comes in. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a budgeting software that has helped countless people transform their financial lives. It's based on a simple yet powerful concept: give every dollar a job. Instead of simply tracking your income and expenses, YNAB forces you to be intentional about how you spend your money. How does YNAB work? At the core of YNAB is the concept of budgeting for a month at a time. You start by categorizing your income and expenses, and then you allocate your money to specific categories like housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. The key is to ensure that every dollar is accounted for. The 4 rules of YNAB. YNAB operates on 4 simple rules. Give every dollar a job. As mentioned earlier, this is the foundation of YNAB. Every dollar you earn should have a specific purpose. Track every dollar. You need to be diligent about tracking all of your income and expenses. This means inputting every transaction into YNAB, no matter how small. Make adjustments as needed. Life happens. If you overspend in one category, you'll need to adjust your spending in another to stay on track. Never spend more than you earn. This is a fundamental principle of financial health. YNAB helps you stick to this rule by forcing you to live within your means. Benefits of using YNAB. There are countless benefits to using YNAB. Here are just a few. Increased financial control. YNAB puts you in charge of your finances. You'll have a clear understanding of where your money is going and where it needs to go. Reduced debt. By tracking your spending and prioritizing debt repayment, YNAB can help you pay off debt faster. Achieved financial goals. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, a new car, or a vacation, YNAB can help you reach your financial goals. Reduced stress. Knowing that you have a plan for your finances can significantly reduce financial stress. Getting started with YNAB. If you're ready to take control of your finances, YNAB is a great place to start. The software is available as a desktop app, a mobile app, and a web app. You can try it for free for 34 days, and there are also monthly and annual subscription options. YNAB is more than just a budgeting tool, it's a financial empowerment tool. By following the 4 rules and being consistent, you can transform your relationship with money and achieve financial freedom. So, if you're tired of feeling overwhelmed by your finances, give YNAB a try. It could be the best decision you ever make. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.